Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to do refresh of some butterfly locks. They're 5.5 weeks old and she didn't want to take them out. She wanted to refresh. I think they turned out, she did not want to take them out. So this is basically the end result of it. Now, this is the person that I did the pixie cut on. So yeah, guys, it held up really well, even though her hair was super short. So this is a true test that your hair could be super short and just the method will make sure that it lasts. Okay. So basically, I'm getting one strand of hair. I use one pack of that Super Line Bohemian Curl Pack hair, color number 27. I get one strand, cut that strand in half, and only use a half of that half. So 1/4 piece will go on one strand, okay? So 4 locks will equal one strand. You basically will only need 1/4 piece for one strand, okay? One lock to secure it, okay? So guys, I put the shiny gem on the root just to get it smooth, and then I just start wrapping. I secure the roots a few times, 3 or 4 turns, and then I just spread the piece throughout the lock. Like I give it about 1 inch in between each wrap part when I get towards the wrapping of the end. And yeah, guys, that's it. And I do not seal with anything. I just kind of wrap it on itself where I see fit, and that's it. That's why it took me about 45 minutes really to do her hair, to refresh it and everything. So yeah, guys, something super quick, something that I highly recommend people to do if they want to keep those locks in and refresh and looking nice. Just go back to the person that did them and refresh, or you can use this method on your own head. It's super easy. It's super quick, guys. And yeah, it'll help your locks last a lot longer and give you, you know, that protective style in a lot longer. This is truly a protective style because your hair is basically only growing at the roots and it's completely protected inside of the lock, okay? So yeah, guys, so you see I'm just wrapping up, wrapping down, just wherever I see fit. And yeah, it's like a skinny piece, so it just basically seals on its own. You don't need any nail glue. Now, if it's like a blunt piece, like maybe one of the blunt ends, you may need a little bit of nail glue because it may not tighten on its own. But for the most part, you don't need anything, okay? So yeah, guys, so like I said, I'm just grabbing a piece like I do if I was doing a normal lock, but I'm just securing the roots. And ignore my missing fingernail, y'all. Ignore it, okay? Like we not even gonna touch on that today, okay? I've been doing so much hair because of the holidays coming up. It's been ridiculous. Yeah, and if y'all hear some noise in the background, it's my son. He's right here while I'm doing this voiceover, okay? He would not let me be great, okay? So yeah, like I said, this is basically self-explanatory. Just move the hair out the way that you're not working on and just do it one strand at a time. Wrap the root look at me, can't even talk. Wrap the root a few times, 3 or 4 times, and just go down the lock. The only time you need to get super close with wrapping is the root. Once you leave the root, everything else could be spread out, okay? And honestly, it gives more texture. Instead of it being super frizzy like it is like on the left side, the part that's not done, just refreshing the lock with that strand, honestly, like it gives it more texture, just like a more butterfly look. Looks good to me. But yeah, just follow this little method. Super easy, super quick. And yeah, guys, y'all be back to bomb in no time. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just listen to the music and the rest of the video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. Merry Christmas.